Hello boss, I'm Seven. Today new good arrival. We have all kinds of accessories. Come here, look at the detail. This is the original back glass. No scratches. Have the wireless charging. Good quality. And we have this charging flash. Second hand, original quality. All model we have, and have the front camera. This original quality. All model. Have this hosting, original hosting. Good quality, beautiful. This EU. No scratches. This no scratches. This beautiful. This 14 Pro Max purple color. This no scratches. This EU beautiful, good. And have this quality. This LCD second hand original. No scratches. If your repair shop needs this high quality product, just DM me.